Hello everyone, Simon from Gorilla Apps here. In this video I'm going to show you the first steps that are necessary to set up a client portal with our app Client Portal Builder for Monday.com. So let's dive right into it. So I have an empty workspace here and I'm going to start by adding a new board called Clients. So for this app to work you need one board which will contain all your clients that are later on able to log into the client portal. So let's just remove the second group from here and I'll rename this to all clients and I'll rename this to client A, client B and client C. So now we have 3 clients in that board, and now we need to add the Client Portal Builder board view. For this I have to head over to Explore More Apps, and here I'll just search for Client and pick the Client Portal Builder board view. So now here I need to confirm that I'm in the correct board, which is the board that contains all the clients. I'll just click confirm, and now I need to authorize the app so that it can make requests from the client portal to Monday.com. Okay, so now this here is the dashboard of the app. You can see all kinds of statistics and stuff, but yeah, we'll not concentrate on that for now. We'll start by heading over to the settings area, and here you can define the name of the client portal. You can define what should be shown on the login page of the client portal. You can connect the client portal to your own custom domain and all kinds of other things. And if we head over here to the theme area, here you can define the colors of your client portal. You can choose a font and upload a company logo, for example, which will then show up in the sidebar of the portal. And now to actually define which pages and content should be shown in the portal, you have to go over here to Builder, and here now you can add the pages, and here in the middle area you can add sections to each page. And so if I now click directly on Preview Draft, we will get a preview of the portal in its initial state. So this is how the portal looks like from the perspective of client A when you set it up freshly. So I'll now just go ahead and publish the portal. So this takes the draft state of the portal and available to the public. And now I'll just click Open Portal, and this is the login page. So the thing is, now the portal is public, but we didn't define any login methods yet. So this is also what I'm now quickly going to show you. So for this you have to head over to the main table again. And here you click on one of your clients, let's say on client A, and now you have to add the client settings view here. So just search for client again and pick client settings. And here you can now create a login method for client A. So I'll just click create and choose credentials in this case. And let's just quickly create one login method. All right. Now I also have to enable this client, otherwise I won't be able to log in. Okay, it's enabled. So now let's go back to the login page, and if I now put in my credentials, I'm logged in as client A. Okay, so in this video, I'm not going to go into all the details. It's just for like the first steps. So if you're now like interested what kind of content you can add to the portal, because like Monday items and stuff like that, I recommend that you go to our listing page, and here's a link to a demo portal, and you can then log in there, and then you will get an overview of all the different content types and the different things you can do, like with the app. And with that in mind, you can then probably have like an easier time setting up the app. Yeah, so that's basically it for now. We have like a lot of other videos which go into more detail into all sorts of different topics. I recommend checking them out. But yeah, have fun setting up the portal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and send us a message. Thank you.